How to create and join a session with TeamViewer Remote. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TeamViewer app on your desktop. Then click on Remote Session. You'll find two arrows turning right and left. Click on that. Then click on Create a Session instead of Join a Session. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. It will give you code to create a session. Copy the code or share the link with anyone you want to make sure joins the session. Or you can directly send a person an email. Then simply click on Save. Then again click on Create a Session instead of Join a Session, and you're good to go. And if you want to join a session, you'll find Mail in your email. Simply click on Join a Session button on your mail. Then it will lead you to this kind of screen. Simply click on Got It, as it will show you email address, country, and license type. Click on Got It and Join Session. And that's how you create and join a session with TeamViewer Remote. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic?